guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for y'all. Listen, I need 10, well, duh. If you're new here, because I know some of y'all's be new. I know a lot of y'all's is oldie but goodies. In the comments, let me know how long you've been watching me. But if you are new, and this is your first time seeing this little video here, I am Shay, Shay with the Pow. Let me take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash that like button, support your girl. And of course, don't forget to hype your girl up. All right, so as far as my weekend, I need 10 for 5, which is really awesome. I was thinking, I don't know, Ibotta was gonna give me the chef, like, because usually when we have a big bonus and we about to knock it out, they usually skip you. It'd be like duck, nope, not you. But yeah, 10 for 5 I can work with. And then for the larger bonus, I think I only need like 13, 14. So hopefully I'll be able to knock out both of those in this haul, which will be really, really awesome. I want to mention the insiders because Walmart did not approve my review. So now I hit like insiders up like, okay, I gave y'all a review. Y'all approved it, said post the same review to Walmart. I gave it to Walmart and Walmart said no. They didn't approve it. I don't know why, but they didn't. So I found my receipts on the verge of taking it back because I did the math and the math ain't mathing. So I'm not paying $12 for those dang baby crackers, and I'm not paying $5 for some shampoo after Ibotta, I think in Fetch. I hit them up again just before I return it because I feel like lately I've been like returning a lot of stuff and I don't like it. But I mean, yeah, I use my receipt when I have to. So the stuff that I had to return recently, I've been using my receipt. If I don't use my receipt, I think if the total is over 10, you have to use your ID. But some cashiers don't even ask me for my ID. So if you don't ask me, I'm not going to give it to you. And so they said, Insider said, just a screenshot of showing that it said your review is accepted or something. I forget how they worded it. I'll pop it up right here. But they hit me up this morning. So I'm going to send that in and see if that works. If it doesn't work, then I'll just return it. I feel like just returning it anyways because I feel like it's a whole lot, you know? So I am definitely going to be skeptical in the future as far as using that one. Although I know it's going to be hella tempting because the money you get back, be like, dang, it'd be such a good deal. So with that being said, we're going to head to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what you're going to do, hit the like button, keep on watching. And hype your girl out.
This first deal is on the Kraft Mac and Cheese. It's on the restaurant edition. So these are priced at $2.97. I'm grabbing 2. You would get back $2.97 times 2 on Ibotta, plus $3 for buying 2 on Fetch will make it a $3.03 moneymaker. Now the Fetch limit of 3, so you could buy 6. I would suggest grabbing a set of 3 for Walmart rewards, and then once it hits your Walmart account, use that and buy another set for Ibotta. That way you could claim all 3 offers. If you do it that way, you would end up paying $17.82. You would get that all back, half through Walmart rewards, half through Ibotta. So you would get back $9 from Fetch rewards. So it would make it a $9 moneymaker. So yeah, grab 3 first for Walmart rewards. Make sure you activate offer first, and then once it hits your Walmart app, then use that and buy 3 more for the Ibotta offer. That way you're only paying for 3 of them out of pocket because the second set Walmart rewards is paying for. And so I hope that made sense. And now if you want to grab it at Target, they're priced at $2.99. Grabbing 2, you'd pay $5.98, getting back $3.49 for each one. Plus there's a $2 bonus for buying 2, plus 10 cents any mac and cheese. And then 3 on Fetch would make it a $6.10 money maker when you buy 3 there. I think I'm going to grab the 3 at Target and then maybe a set of 3 here so that I can max out the offer for Fetch Reward and Ibotta. So yeah. So next up is the Mi Tierra tortilla strips. These are priced at $2.98. We do have an offer on Ibotta for $1. It has reset for me. We have that same offer for Walmart rewards as well. And then we have $2.50 on Fetch, making that a 52-cent money maker when you buy one. So next up is soda. Which one did I get? You can get the Sam's regular kind. It's like the cheapest soda. I know they do have some 1.5 liter bottles. So if you grab one at $1, I have a 10 cent any soda offer on Ibotta. I would also submit my receipt to B of A for the soda as well, making that a 10 cent moneymaker. I didn't grab that one. I went ahead and grabbed the sugar-free Sun Kiss, which is practically gone already. By the time I record the outro, it will be gone already. I don't mind paying the extra for a brand I actually like. And so we grabbed one at 142, getting back $1 for B of A, 10 cent on Ibotta, brings it down to 32 cents. These are the 1.25 you can grab as well, which I was gonna grab, but I was like, hey, I can get this one sugar free, and it's 2 liters sold. And so yeah. So this next deal here is on the Lay's Stacks. It's on the original canister. This is a Flavor Wiki offer. Now the other day I was trying to do this, and it just the survey wasn't working. Every time I clicked on answer the question, it gave me an error message. I had to back out, go back in, answer the question again. So I finally got it working the next day, which was yesterday, I think. And it's for the Lay's stack. So for this, you want to choose regular or original potato chips. I think the first time I chose Doritos again, or tortilla chips again, and it didn't work. But this one did work. It's priced at $2.08. For this one, you're getting back $2.50 on Flavor Wiki. It's gonna make that a 42-cent moneymaker. This next deal is on the Sour Punch Bites. They are priced at $3. We have $1 back on Checkout 51 and $1 back on one of the sister apps, making that only $1, which I don't think is bad for a 9-ounce bag. And Josiah really likes these. Yeah, really quick. So I'm grabbing a stem. Now, my last video, I did it and totally forgot to use a coupon. What the heck was I thinking, right? So I returned them, and I was kind of low-key waiting around to see if Ibotta, if it would reset for me once they reversed it. They didn't reverse it until like 3 or 4 hours later, which they normally reverse it pretty quickly. And so I went ahead and grabbed it again the next day. They're priced at $7.97. I am definitely using this $5 printable right here from coupons.com. You end up paying $2.97, getting back 2 on Ibotta, makes it 97 cents, limit of 3, so I maxed it out.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I just realized that this glitched for me. I didn't even notice. I don't think it popped up when I submitted my receipt. I just happened to go back to do the screenshot for this clip, and I didn't even notice the stem glitched. So I got back an extra $6, making all 3 of them a $3 and $9 moneymaker, I want to say, which is pretty awesome.
One of you guys did let me know that that coupon also works on the fan trap refills as well. So you would pay 97 cents and get back. Actually, you know what? I don't know if the Ibotta offer, I assume it does, because I'll have to see if it resets for me again. It would probably make this an even better deal because you'd pay 97 and get back 2. It would make it a $1.03 moneymaker on that as well. First, I grabbed the stem fly trap as well. It's on rollback for $14.98. Getting back 5 on Ibotta, 5 on Checkout 51, and then 5 on one of the sister apps would make that a 2-cent moneymaker. All right, so we're on the Airwick aisle, or the air freshener aisle. This aisle is like so empty right now. I guess that's how it is when you're between seasons, huh? And so, listen, I went ahead and grabbed the Airwick starter kit again, priced at $3.97. This is the printable that I've been using. I've had this printable forever. All right, so paying 97 cents out of pocket. Getting back to one I bought, it makes it a $1.03 moneymaker with a limit of 3. You could also grab this one with that offer as well. It would make it 50 cents. Or you could grab this one right here. It would make it a 2-cent moneymaker. I grabbed a set of this one and just wrote some Walmart rewards back in and grabbed a set of 3 of these, which is not a bad deal. I also have an offer on the Glade as well. They're priced at $1.97. For that, we have $1.75 on Checkout 51 and $1.75 on one of the sister apps. It's gonna make that a $1.53 moneymaker. All right, yeah. So this next deal here is on the soft soap. I grabbed this one right here, the Orange Blossom scent, on clearance for $2. Getting back $1 on Ibotta. I thought I had an offer on the sister apps, but it's gone, so it's gonna make that $1. All right, so I went ahead and grabbed a dial because I was 21 cents away from hitting that offer on that reward, but it's gone. Well, it's there, but it's it reset for spin, I think 30 or 40 or something like that, something crazy. And so I went ahead and I grabbed it at $2.58, getting back 75 cents on checkout, 51 a dollar on, I think it was on inbox dollars, making that 83 cents. I would have loved for it to be a moneymaker, but I guess the universe says, Chanel, you've already made enough money on dial, so stop it. Get some help. All right, I went ahead and grabbed the Skin Timid again. Price is $6.27, $4 Knox printable, bringing it down to $2.27. Getting back to on Ibotta makes it 27 cents limit of 3. All right, so this next deal is on the TheraBreath toothpaste. It's priced at $6.97. I thought I saw somebody post it on clearance at their store for like $2 or $4. Anyways, it's $6.97 here. We have an offer on Ibotta for $2. We have $2 also on Checkout 51, as well as one of the sister apps, bringing that down to 97 cents, which is really not a bad deal. All right, so this next deal is on the different, it's actually on Checkout 51 and the sister apps. It's on clearance for $3, which is really cool, right? So you're grabbing one and 3, getting back 3 on Checkout 51 and one of the sister apps, making that $3 moneymaker. I went ahead and did it for both of my Checkout 51 accounts. I'm hoping it'll reset on Checkout 51 Sunday. If it does, I'm gonna come back and try to get a couple more if they have any. Right, so this deal here is on the Aveeno Common Restore. I did grab this one at a different store. It was $5, which is crazy because it's normally $20. And so grabbing it at 5, we have an offer on Ibotta for $5. It's also available for Walmart. It's also available for Walmart Rewards as well. That store only had one. Otherwise, of course, I would have did it on Walmart Rewards too. I'm making it absolutely free, which is pretty awesome. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. As I said, that sun kiss would be empty by the time I did my outro. And he literally just finished it. And so that's gone. I didn't mention the Blue Buffalo. I grabbed that last minute and I forgot to record it in store. It's priced at $6.96. You'll get that back on Fetch and into on Ibotta. Makes it a $2 moneymaker. The Colgate, that's Dollar Tree. So I did the deal. Amy said it worked for her, so I tried it. I got an error message saying that I've already redeemed my maximum amount or whatever. Whenever that happens and I know I haven't redeemed that week, I put a ticket in. And so I did get credit for both sets. The same thing happened with the Glade, one of the Glades. It said the same thing. So I put a ticket in for that. I'm still waiting for that. But I've noticed that it happened twice this week with Checkout 51. It normally happens from time to time, but not this frequently. And so if that happens and you do get that error message, just put a ticket in and they always fix it for me, which is cool. I did find a second Aveeno. It was $7. Would have loved to get it for $5, but to get it for $7 or $2 after Walmart Rewards, I still think it's a great deal because I'm basically still getting them both for $2, which is awesome. The Defrin. I did find this at a second store today for $2.50. So if that happens to reset on Checkout 51 tomorrow and it's still on the sister apps, I will definitely be doing that deal again. I went ahead and did the tortilla chips for 2 of my Walmart accounts and then 1 Ibotta account because I was super close to cashing out on Fetch Reward. And I think I still have 2 more redemptions left on one of my accounts, which is cool. The Kraft, that ended up being a really, really awesome deal. I did 3 sets of 3 at Walmart, 2 were Walmart Rewards, 1 Ibotta, and then I did a set at Target. It made that a really, really awesome deal. Those are going to be really good items to donate. I grabbed the razors again. That coupon's still scanning. The coupon for the stem, the $5 printable, that one's still working. Airwick is still working. Yeah, I think that's basically it for this haul. And so I'm going to try to breeze through this because I'm starving. All right, guys. So everything you see here retails $166.17. I had $36 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $130.17. I walk away with $68.53 from Ibotta, $32.59 from Fetch Reward, $31.82 from Walmart Rewards, $23.76 from Checkout 51. PayPal was $7.77. Now, just a reminder, this is the last month where we're able to transfer our 5% category into our balance. So don't forget to cash out. Ta-da was $6.75, Inbox dollars $5.75, Easy Bucks is $3, Flavor Wiki was $2.50, and last but not least, B of A was $1. So getting back a total of $183.47. It's gonna make everything you see here for you plus a $53.30 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. Now, I did want to mention that my Target receipts have been taking really long. Like the pasta that I did in my last video, the free pasta, it took like a week. I hit up customer support. They did give me credit the same day. So I'm expecting that today's Target receipt is going to take a while. So I'm thinking maybe after about 48 hours, I'll hit up support and see if they can expedite it. If it doesn't clear sooner than that, let me know if you guys are having any issues with processing time, because I've never had it take a whole week. And so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. In the comments, I want to see a cheese emoji for all of this free mac and cheese. And I will see you in the next video.